Hi guys, today we're making garlic steak bites transformed into Lomos Saltado, a Peruvian dish, my way. So we're going to start off with 5 tablespoons of butter, and to this we're going to add 1 tablespoon garlic powder. You can also use garlic puree, and 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Mix it together well and leave it aside so that the butter can absorb the flavors. I have 2 pounds boneless beef cut into 1-inch cubes, and we're going to marinate this. So for the marinade, we're going to use 1 teaspoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper, and optional half a teaspoon of chili powder if you really like your food spicy. Allow the beef to marinate for at least 30 minutes. And we're going to put the stove on medium heat and we're going to melt half of our butter mixture. After it's fully melted, we're going to cook it for another minute or 2 just to let the flavors release. After 2 minutes, add in our beef. We're also going to turn the heat up to a medium-high. And let this cook in its own juices for about 6 to 7 minutes. Now we're going to add in our spices. So here I have 2 tablespoons black pepper, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon dried dill weed. You can adjust any of these to your own liking. Pour it over the beef and just start mixing. Continue frying this for 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you can turn down the heat and adjust any of the spices. In a separate pan, use the remaining butter to fry up your veggies. So I have bell peppers and I have 1 onion sliced up here, cut into lengths. While I'm sauteing the veggies, I've also put some French fries in the oven to bake. I've removed everything from the heat now and I'm just combining it all together gently. And here I've mixed in the fries and topped it with some cilantro, and it's all ready. You can eat it with a fork just like this, or you can add it to some rice. It's up to you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this dish. Do try it out and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching!